What's up guys? I am back with another video. In today's video, this will be a part 1 of part 2 series. I will be showing you guys how to make this beautiful gown. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this process, stay tuned. Now within this video, I will be showing you guys how to sew in this beautiful ruffled horse hair. So first you want to begin by laying your horsehair on the right side of your fabric, and you're going to sew right at that edge of the horsehair. So as you can see, I am sewing about maybe a centimeter from the edge of the fabric. I'm just getting as close as I possibly can to the edge of the fabric, and I am just sewing down that horsehair. Now if your horsehair has a thicker band on it, like mine does, if you can see, the top is pretty shallow while the bottom has a thicker blue band. I like to put that band at the edge of the fabric, away from the top. So towards the bottom of the fabric, I like to have the thicker band. So now that you are done sewing all the way around at the edge of the fabric, you want to flip it over, and as you can see, I am sewing on the actual fabric. So at this point, you should not be sewing on the horsehair. You're definitely going to be sewing through it, but you just want to flip it over and you are sewing a straight line on the top of your fabric. Alrighty guys, we are almost done. So now that you've sewn all the way around on the top of your fabric, now it's time to sew on the horsehair. So you want to line your sewing foot. I couldn't think of that for the life of me. Line your sewing foot up with the edge of your horsehair, and you want to do a straight stitch down the edge of your horsehair. Now as you can see, I leave about a centimeter seam allowance, and that's just in case I go a little crazy or something. You do not want to go over, like, off of your horsehair onto the fabric. In addition to that, you want to make sure that your fabric is flat. So as you can see, I went to check to make sure that everything was flat with the horsehair. This is something that I struggle pretty badly with. So you want to kind of tug a little bit at the top of the fabric to flatten it, but you do not want to make it ruffle. So if you tug too hard, it will ruffle. Just tug just enough to flatten out your fabric and make sure that your horsehair looks neat. Alrighty guys, this is our final product. I absolutely love the way this horsehair looks. I think the horsehair just cleans up a gown. So I want to thank you guys for watching. We recently just reached 1,000 subscribers, so I am just overwhelmed by the support that you guys have had for me. I want to thank you guys for watching. Continue to watch. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.